welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be reviewing some gel nail polishes from Madam Glam. So it's this company here. This is the kit that I bought. So I got, it's like a starter kit. So you get a mini lamp, 3 colour polishes, a base and a top coat. So this is what you get inside. So as I say, you've got your mini lamp here, which is so diddy. It's actually really quite cute, and because of the size of it, if you're someone that has like gel nail polish and you go on holiday where you're in a lot of water and that, you're more likely to chip them. This is actually an ideal size to take away and just pop in your case. It's really lightweight as well. So it's really good for travel. So you get your lamp, the legs do come out, and then you've got your USB as well. And then this is the base coat here and your top coat as well. So these are actually HEMA or HEMA free as well, which means that they've got less ingredients, or a lot less ingredients that people would be allergic to. So, if you're someone that, gets a lot of allergies towards things, especially with nails, then these are ideal for you to try. I mean, you can't promise anything, but you're less likely to be allergic to the ingredients in these than other products. And they are also vegan and cruelty-free as well. So I also picked up 3 of the colours, and I chose this one, which is like a really nice bright coral, which is called Kiss on the Cheek, which is like that. Nice and bright. A really nice holiday colour, that one. And then this one I absolutely love, which is Velvet Queen. So that is this colour here. Which is like that. And then this one is You're in the Navy Now, which is kind of like a grey toned, a blue toned grey, sorry. So I've just opened it, but yeah, it's this one here. And it's like that. So yeah, I think the polishes retail for around the $14 mark, I believe. I think it's dollars, or is it pounds? I think it's $14. But what they do is a starter kit where you get the lamp, you get 3 colours, your base, top, and then I think there's some wipe off solution wipes, a cuticle pusher and a file maybe, for around $99. I do have a 30% off discount code, which is a nice hefty discount. If you are interested in purchasing anything from the website, I'll pop it in the description box below if you want to check that out, along with any links of products that I used today. This is the design of the nails that I created for today's video. So I'll just go on and show you how I did these nails. So I'm going to start off with the base coat. So that will be this one here. Now I've got acrylics on, so all I've done is roughed up the top with a 100 by 180 grit file, which is that one there. But if you're doing it on natural nails, then obviously you're going to push back your cuticles and prep the nail just by buffing it lightly and then applying a protein remover to the nail plate. So that'll be anything that removes oils. If you don't have access to one of those, then acetone would be fine. So I'm just going to start off by applying this to all the nails. Actually, because the lamp is quite small, I'm just going to cure this one first, and then I'm going to go on and do the others. So next I'm going to take my 2 colours, which are this one here. So this is the one I showed you, which is the Velvet Queen. Absolutely love this colour. And the grey one, which was You're in the Navy Now. So I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to put Velvet Queen on these 3 nails here and the grey on these 2 here. So I'm going to do this one first again, and then I'm going to continue to do the others. To go ahead and put another coat on. So next I'm going to kind of do a little squiggly pattern. So for that, I'm going to use the coral colour, which was Kiss on the Cheek, and the Velvet Queen colour. So I've obviously already got the grey on the base. This is just a pot. I'm just using the lid just as a palette, really. So I'm just going to top that up a little bit. This is the one I just used for the other hand. Just a little bit, and then I've just got a brush, like a fine tipped brush here. I've had this ages. I think I got it off of eBay or something. So I'm going to start off with the darker shade, so the Velvet, what was it, Velvet Queen? Yeah, Velvet Queen. And just start off on that one, just like a little kind of semicircle. And then I'm going to do a wiggly line up here. And another semicircle on that side. And just the same on the other hand, other finger even. And that, quite simple. So I'm just going to flash cure that just for about 10 seconds. And then I'm just going to go back over that again. And cure that. And then I've just cleaned off my brush again, so I'm going to dip into that really nice coral shade, so Kiss on the Cheek, and I'm going to kind of outline these almost. So I'm going to go on the, which side is it? On the inside, I think. Like that. Okay, and flash cure those again. And then go over them again. I'm just going to give those one full cure now. And then we're going to top coat. So it's this one here. So it's the Soak Off top coat. And I'm just going to apply this to all the nails. And then pop those in for one final cure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, because it leaves a tacky layer, I'm just gonna wipe that off with some wipe off solution. If you don't have a wipe off solution, you can just use a non-acetone nail polish remover. Like that. And then I'm just gonna pop some cuticle oil on as well, just because I like to. Just to nourish my cuticles. And there we go. So that's the nails all done. So yeah, so there we go. And I have to say, I think the products are great. The base and the top coat were really nice. The colours were really nice and opaque. I didn't have to, the coral one actually, normally with these kind of corals, I mean, I only did it obviously as a stripy bit, but with these, I find that you have to sometimes layer them about 3 times because corals can come off a bit pale. But this one is actually really, really pigmented. So I was really pleased with that. Love the grey colour as well. And absolutely, this is probably my favourite. This one here, really nice, because that's kind of like a colour you can have all year round. So yeah, really good quality polishes, highly recommend them, to be honest. And the lamp for such a diddy little fella was actually really quite powerful. I think it's 6 watt. Yeah, it's a 6 watt UV LED lamp. So yeah, and it cured really nicely. I didn't get any bubbling or anything like that. So yeah, as I say, ideal, you know, if you're going away as well and you want to pop this in your case because it weighs virtually nothing. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.